When you think in terms of what HCC Global Energy has to offer, why should you come here?
I saw how hands-on the labs were, and I really wanted to get training on how it would be in a real-life work.
Process technology tends to focus on oil and gas downstream, the food and beverage industry, you have processes there, water and wastewater treatment programs, the pharmaceuticals in terms of manufacturing, just automation processes in general. It's a very lucrative field. A process tech person who comes in, you find that you'll have a range that can go anywhere from in the mid-50s up to the 70s. Process tech is an area that will always exist. Artificial intelligence, digital transformation, digital twinning. So these are things that we pay attention to. The students who come in have an opportunity to learn these things.